How to use wireframes in Wix Studio. So in order to use wireframes on your Wix Studio, what we can do is we just need to head over and then open the visual sitemap. So in here we have the visual sitemap right there. So click onto this icon right here just below the pages icon. Now once you have clicked on that, it should be able to open right here a window that will show you what it looks like. So this is what our virtual sitemap looks like. So the wireframes we're talking about is this right here. So wireframes are basic, low-fidelity representations of a website structure and layout. As you can see, we have in here our header, news, decorative, section grids, and we have the footer on particular page. So each page have their own wireframes. So if you want to create a new wireframe, you can just head over and then click onto this edit site and then add some more pages. If you do not want that, you can just head over and edit out some things that has been added on your wireframe. Like for example, we have introduced privacy policy, and if you want to delete a section of that, you can click onto this more action. And then from in there, you can move it up or move it down. You can also duplicate, rename, hide. But for this one, let's delete it. Now, it should be able to delete that particular section into your virtual sitemap onto your actual wireframe. Now, if you want to add another one, what you can do is you can just hover to in between of those, and you should be able to see here this plus icon. So you can click onto those plus in order to create a new component on your wireframe. So that's how you use wireframes in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.